Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix the GE freezer which is not freezing in 2026. So if your GE freezer is not freezing properly, your food may start thawing, ice may melt, the appliance may struggle to maintain safe temperatures. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to start by verifying that the freezer temperature is set correctly. The GE freezers typically perform best around 0 degree Fahrenheit or minus 18 degrees Celsius. If the setting was accidentally changed or reset after a power outage, the freezer may not cool properly. So you need to make sure that the setting is up to date. After doing so, the proper airflow is also essential for freezing performance. So you need to make sure that the food packages are not blocking these air vents, since restricted circulation can prevent cold air from reaching all the sections of the freezer. Overloading can also reduce cooling efficiency. Now, sometimes excessive frost buildup can indicate the defrost system problem, which can block the airflow and reduce freezing ability. So if you notice any heavy ice accumulation on the back panel, a failed defrost heater, thermostat or timer may be causing the cooling issues. Now, a damaged or loose door gasket can also allow warm air to go inside, forcing the freezer to work harder while reducing freezing performance. So you need to check for the gaps, cracks or debris on the seal, and then you just have to simply clean them. If they need replacement, you need to also replace them. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.